Okay guys, Dr. Brown here. I'm back again just to show you some of the stuff that I add into my juice. I tell you guys, I do this in the morning. This is like my breakfast in the morning. And I'm just going to show you how I juice it. This juicer costs me like about $60 to do all this juicing that you see me juicing right now. And guys, I'm telling you, that's $60 worth investing. All right, so I'm going to start the juicer. It's going to make some noise, but I just want to show you what I do in the morning. All right, so let's put it in. What I do, no additive, just strictly juice. Okay, no additive, just strictly juice that I do. That's an apple. The apple give it a nice taste. And that's what I do in the morning. So now I'm dropping some more apple in it. And then you'll see it come out down the bottom. That's the apple right there. Coming out right there. That's the apple coming out. Alright. So what I normally do, yeah, see guys, I'm gonna drop some in there. Alright. Drop it in there. And they normally jump up in the air, so I just cover it. Keep giving it a color. All that stuff coming down there. Yep. Yeah. I mix this with my celery juice, my cranberry. It have a very funny taste, but I get accustomed to it because of what it does for me. All right, so this is the last of it. It's gonna give me like a glass for me to drink. All right. So just wanted to show you, what do I do in the morning, and, just to keep healthy, in the morning. All right, guys. So I'm gonna get a glass. I'm coming over here. This is another juice that I just did, but this one is the aloe vera juice that I did. This is aloe vera juice that I did. So I'm gonna get a glass just to show you how it looks. Look at it, guys. Look at it, look at it, look at that baby. Look at that baby. So you have the apple, you have the apple, and you have the cranberry, and you have the celery in one. That's a meal, guys. I'm telling you, change the way you eat and you will change your health. This is Dr. Brown, guys. Have a great and prosperous new you.